I'm gonna make a tulip. Here is one with a leaf. I'm gonna teach you how to make the top part. First step is to take a small paper. I have a A4 paper in blue color. First step is fold the paper in half. Now where the paper opens, don't keep it like that. Keep it this way, and now fold it. Open and then take the top edge and fold it into a triangle. Now in the bottom that we left, we are gonna take a small piece and fold it above. And the same way the other side. Now it's like a pocket. So we are going to open the pocket and then keep it like this. See, it will happen the same thing in the other side that I did in front. Now I will take this part and fold it just like in a triangle. See, in the other side, again it's a pocket. Now is the tulip part. We have to open it, and here our tulip will get made. See, made. And you can press it by opening. This one was the one I showed you before. It has a stem. But I'm not showing in this one the stem, but I've made it like it's gonna be like this. Here are the rest of them I made before. See, I made lots of them. Bye and thank you for